video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.